All right, today we're going to talk about practice method. So this is going to be the same for basically everything I give you. So write this down, the process. So I'm sending you a play along for each of these things. So the first thing you do is put that play along in the Amazing Slowdowner or whatever, just listen to it. And when you're listening to it, follow along on the music. So you can start to understand how the rhythms are supposed to go and what they look like. So listen to it a couple times, get it straight in your head how it looks and how it sounds. And then figure it out with your hands with the right fingering. Really get the fingering down, really, get an approximation of the rhythm. And then listen again, and then try to play along with it. Basically, that's it. And it's always you're going back and forth from listening and following with your eyes, and listening and sort of miming, and then listening and playing with it. And in between those, you just try to play with the fingering. Because if you go back and forth from listening to playing, listening to playing, it will they will come together eventually. It's been working with us so far, so I just want to reinforce that. Listen, then play. Listen, then play. And then when you feel really confident, like you're really confident with the playing, put it together, which means play with the play along. See if you can keep up. And that's for all these things. This red book that we're going to be doing, which is what the bagpipe one is from, and in the future. This is how we're going to do it. So back to the last date, I sent you 3 more. So, and they're with numbers. So the first one is 25 to 33. So it's 2 lines. They're almost the same. So you put it on, and it starts with the pickup note, the last note on the first line, the C, right? I'll play it for you. Right? And then it stops. It doesn't have the pickup note for the next line. And the pickup note again. So this note here is called a pickup note. And it picks up to measure 26. So this note, even though it's over here, it belongs to that phrase. Same thing with this. This note down here belongs here, so I'm not going to play it. So again, listen to the play along, play it, then try to put the 2 together. Then from the next one is 34 to 37, which is just this next line, just the whole line with the pickup note, which is that's it. So practice just that phrase over and over again. And then the last one is the last line, 38 to 43. Again, with this little pickup note over here. That's a quick pickup note. And it goes. Oh, sorry. Okay, so, and remember, with the Amazing Slowdowner, the amazing part is you can slow it down if you want to. So there's that little slider that says speed on it. If you need to slow down, which I don't really think you do. I think if you just listen to it enough, it will make sense because it's pretty slow already. And I think, there's a certain point when it gets too slow that's even harder to follow than in the middle tempo. Fast tempos are hard, slow tempos are hard. But in the middle, if you do it like I'm saying, if you listen, then you practice. And you listen, and you practice. And you listen, and you practice. Like back and forth. It will work itself out in your brain. So, good luck.